Hey friends, this is VeThor here, and welcome to the update on VeThor. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, VeThor rallied very well, but got rejected by a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after getting rejected, it has broken down this long-term support of $0.007, and now it is breaking down the next support of $0.005, almost at half cents. That was recently breaking as the resistance here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously for a few weeks it had been also breaking as a support here as well. And recently here it was breaking as a resistance. By the way, from the recent rally, this rally, if I place another trend line here, and here at point double zero, approximately at $0.0045. At this point of rejection, up till this previous resistance level that is now working as support of half cent, this can be a complete support zone from $0.005 to $0.0045. And reason you is that it was also working as a rejection point here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge for the last 2 years when it was moving inside this wedge. I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far from this low to here, VeThor has rallied more than 1,300%, but could not break out this uptrend line resistance. And by the way, this uptrend line resistance is coming from the month of May 2022, and we will also analyze this uptrend line resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeThor that I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that VeThor completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let me take you to the live chart of VeThor, and first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it was moving inside this very nice down channel. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce here, and the bounce here, rejection, bounce. And this time the price did not hit the resistance. Then we had another bounce here, and the bounce here, rejection here, and finally the price broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, the price got rejected by this long-term resistance on from that start from $0.0045 and goes to $0.005, and now reached this uptrend line resistance, but could not break it out. By the way, this is a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance is coming from the month of uh, May 2022. We got rejection here, June 2022. Then we got another rejection here, another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection. And now price line is testing this long-term support zone. If we highlight this area, then it will be more visible, this support. And you can see that previously it had been working as support zone here, and here for a few weeks, it had been working as support zone, and now again, it can work as a strong support zone for the price line of VeThor. And in case of breaking it down, it can drop down at this next support of $0.003. That was recently working as a resistance here. And even here, for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And for several weeks, it has been working as support here, almost here as a resistance. And before that, for a few weeks, it had been working as a support here as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel at $0.007. And we have already hit that target, but still a very big move due. And that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 2.8 cents to 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.